How to change your email password in Opera Mail. This tutorial will teach you how to change your password in Opera Mail. To change the actual password of an email account, you will need to go to your hosting account. This demo assumes you've already opened Opera. Click on the Opera icon to access your mail accounts. Click Mail and Chat Accounts. You will see a list of your accounts. Choose the one for which you want to change the email password. Please click on Edit to continue. Please click on the Servers tab. You can change the passwords here for incoming and outgoing servers. Let's change the incoming server's password. Click here. Please change the password for the outgoing SMTP server. Please click on OK to continue. You have successfully changed the password. This is the end of the tutorial. Now you know how to change the password in Opera Email.